Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can add affiliate links to your Wix website. Now all you have to do guys, you want to just follow these simple steps and you will be able to add affiliate links to your Wix website. Now the first thing you want to do guys, you want to choose which website you want to add affiliate links to. Now you want to click my sites in the top left and then click go to my sites, and it will take you directly to your website. Now you can select which website you want. For example, I'm going to select this one. Now all you have to do guys, you just want to wait a few seconds for the website to load. Next thing you want to do, if it doesn't take you directly to your website, you just want to click on design site in the top right. Now next thing you want to do, you just want to wait again a few seconds for the website to load. And after that, I will show you guys two ways on how you can add affiliate links to your Wix website. Now the first way is you want to click on add elements in the top left, this plus button, and after that you want to select text. As you can see, you want to select text. Next thing you want to do guys, you want to select this text. It's called I am a paragraph. Click here to add your own text and edit me. It's easy. Now we want to select this text exactly. As you can see this text guys, you can add affiliate link to that text. So whenever someone clicks, for example, on here or click here, it will take them directly to your affiliate link. Now first you have to get the affiliate link. Like most people, they go to Amazon. Like you just want to search for Amazon affiliate program and click on amazon.com associates. Here you have to click on sign up and then follow the steps so that you can sign up for affiliate program, so that you can get the link, so that you can put it on your Wix website. Now if you already have the link, I'm going to copy a random link. For example, I'll just copy a random product. I'm going to click on here and then I'm going to select any product. I'm just going to copy the link. Now this is the link, I'm going to copy it. Now like I said guys, you have to get the affiliate link so that you can earn the commission whenever someone buys something through your link. Now next thing you want to do guys, you want to click on edit text. Okay, as you can see it says here edit text. Click on it. Now you want to edit this text guys, like you can just type here, click here to buy the latest items on Amazon. For example, this is just an example. You can make it better as you want. Now if you want to add the affiliate link, you just want to select here, okay, alone, just select here. So whenever someone clicks on here, it will take them directly to your affiliate link. Like if you go to affiliate link for Amazon, it will take them directly to Amazon. Now after you select here, what you want to do guys, next you want to click on link. As you can see, this is link. Click on it and then you want to select web address, as you can see, and here you have to put the link and then click done. And whenever someone clicks on here, like when someone is reading something on your Wix website and they click on here, it will take them directly to your affiliate link on Amazon or any other website. Now next way guys, which is the easiest way, if you don't want to go all through this is the easiest way. You just want to click on add apps, and next thing you want to do, you want to just search for affiliate. Now after you search for affiliate, you just want to click on affiliate and it will give you a few different options like apps you can download. Now if you have an affiliate, like if you are partnered with Amazon affiliate program, just select Amazon. But if you are partnered with other affiliate programs, you want to select simple affiliate. Now I'm going to select Amazon. After that you want to click on add to site, and this is how it will look. Now what you want to do guys, next you want to click on settings in the top. As you can see, settings in the top of the of this, you want to click settings and then you want to click add items, and then you have to put here the affiliate link. Click again on add items in the top right, and here you have to paste the link of the product. Click search, select the product here, and then click save, and then click this X on top so that you can close this. And as you can see, this is the affiliate product. You can just put it anywhere you want on your website. So I hope guys this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.